Daily use English phrases. Let's learn. Number one, hit the books means study hard. To do study hard. Hit the books means to do study hard. Final exams are coming. Let's hit the books. Final exams are coming. Let's hit the books. Number two, it's a piece of cake. It's very easy. It's a piece of cake. It's very easy. This homework was a piece of cake for me. I did it easily. Number three, it's not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea means I don't like it. I don't like it. I tried cricket, but it's not my cup of tea. I tried cricket, but it's not my cup of tea. Number four, don't mention it means you're welcome, no problem. When we use don't mention, when you help someone and someone says thanks. For example, you helped me and I say thanks for helping me, and you say don't mention it. No problem, don't mention it, okay? Amen, amen. I agree. I want to join. I say, brother, we are planning a trip this weekend. Would you like to go with us? And you immediately reply, you do agree with us. You say, Amin. Amin means you want to join us. You want to go with us. You are agree, okay? No way. No way means impossible. Really? When we are surprised or disbelieve, he won the lottery, I say, he won the lottery, and you reply, you say, surprisingly, no way. How is it possible? Really? Number seven, I'm all ears means I'm listening carefully. I'm all ears, I'm listening carefully. I say, tell me your story. I'm all ears. Tell me your story. I'm all ears. Number eight, I'm starving means I'm very hungry. Let's eat. I'm starving. I'm very hungry means. Number nine. Now it's your turn, dear guys. You people let me know. Share your meaning and sentence of I'm broke. Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I hope you people really enjoyed my today's lesson. And you are requested, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Number 10, it's up in the air means not decided yet. Are we going on vacation? I ask from you, are we going on vacation? And you reply, it's still up in the air means you didn't decide yet. You didn't make a mind yet. Number 11, I slipped my mind means I forgot. Sorry, I missed your birthday. I slipped my mind. I forgot. I extremely sorry. I apologize. Sorry, I missed your birthday. I slipped my mind. Number 12, I'm used to it means I'm familiar with it. It's very hot here. I'm used to it means you are habitual of something. Okay, it's normal for you. It's very hot here. I'm normal of it. I'm used to it. I'm accustomed of it. Okay. I am used to it. Number 13. It's not a big deal means it's not a problem. Sorry for the mistake. I did a mistake and I say sorry for the mistake. And you say it's not a big deal. It's not a problem, brother. Okay? Sorry for the mistake. It's not a big deal. Here I need to make a correction, sorry. Yes, now it's fine. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, again I say sorry for the mistake. It's not a big deal. Thank you so much. Sounds good. I agree. That's a good idea. Let's watch a movie tonight. I say let's watch a movie tonight. And you say sounds good. Means you agree with me. 15. Break a leg. When we say break a leg, good luck. We wish good luck for someone, particularly for performance or test. You have an exam? Okay, break a leg then. Break a leg then. You have an exam? Good luck. Number 16. It's up to you. Dear guys, it's your turn now. Let me know the meaning. It's up to you and sentence in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel and follow for more.